All right, we're back to our bunny game. We finished up the outfit swapping and the headpiece swapping. At least the functionality. We'll have to come back and clean it up later. But it is syncing across the server and clients. So that's good. So now let's work on the buildings. We were doing little level up system. So the idea is you place down a building and then after some time you can level it up. Panel. We have a building upgrade button, which we won't actually do. We're not going to put that here, actually. We'll put that probably on the building button. So we have our buildings here. House and the shop. I'm not entirely sure why. Oh, okay, so it changes it right here. Okay, that's fine. Let's do another button called the upgrade button. This will just be public void upgrade building. We don't have a straight reference to the building, but we do have the building type. And at least in this scenario, oh, you know what? That's probably not a good idea either. Because this is to build the building. And it wouldn't exactly make sense if we put the upgrade button here. It would have to be like its own panel. That's a good way to do this. What if we had... Okay, we need a separate panel regardless. So maybe on the build panel? No, because then it'll be different. We have the build panel and then we have the building panel. So we could try that. We have a building panel. And that'll be over here somewhere. Oh wow, this doesn't have any... Okay. Well. I don't like how I did this. I see. Okay, let's not do that then. Let's just do a separate panel here. UI panel. Call it build panel. No, sorry, building panel. I can already tell it's going to get confusing. Gonna move that over here real quick. Give this full opacity. All right, so we'll have some sort of viewport. Probably a vertical one. So let's get rid of the horizontal. Content size fitter. Vertical preferred. And vertical layout. Upper center. Yeah. And then we need the buttons inside. Oh, okay, so it'll probably be just an image and then the button for the upgrade. Okay. Well. Okay, I think this wouldn't be a button by itself. It would probably be like another UI object here. I don't know, building UI object. And this will be a horizontal layout. And that one can just be middle left. Okay, and so inside of here we would have an image. Should we use a raw image? Sure, whatever. I guess it doesn't matter right now. So we have the image. Let's cut that down to like 64 by 64. Yeah, that's fine. All right, what are the dimensions of this? Well, this probably... No, this doesn't need a content size fitter. We'll just do that. Hold on, is there a way to snap this? I guess that's kind of snapping it. So we have the raw image, and then we have the button. I can find it. Oh, here it is. So this will be, say, 32 by 32? No, 64 by 64, sure. And we'll just call this upgrade. Auto size 12. Yeah. Okay. That looks good. Let's just push this off to the right a little bit. Like 24. 16. 16 works. Okay, so now the content itself will have a content size fitter. Right now we have 2. And this will be, so we have the house and the shop. Okay, we should probably change this then. This is not the building panel. Sorry, we have the, okay, so we have to change this. This is the build menu, not the building menu. This is for when we want to build a building. Which I think we might need another one of these. Okay, so again, we have the build menu. Oh, that's right. Menu data copy. What? Okay. Okay, so we have the build menu and the building menu. That I can tell is probably going to get confusing and we're going to make some errors, but okay. We'll deal with it when we get to it. Hmm. Let's actually, let's do a build and run. I'm just gonna have it playing in the background. Yes, save. All right, host, and then we have our stuff here. Okay, cool. And just move it off to the side here. And we can just have our bunny do things. Actually, this might be a bad idea. It's too obtrusive. Yeah, I'll leave it for now. All right. The other buildings here. Do we have a building object? Okay, we have a shop build UI object. I change this to build UI objects. Oh wait, no, wrong. This is a building UI object. Ugh. Oh, I see. No, I take that back. We need to do this, but we need to change the building on the other one. So the upgrade button's not going to come here. This is just when we want to build initially. This is the right one. All right. Let me see here. We need a building UI object. Is this scriptable? What do I do over here? It's not. All right, so we need the button for sure. We need the image. Oh, we have building data too. Building type, building name, building sprite. Okay, the thing is that it shouldn't appear there until we have it unlocked. Hmm. Which means we would have to like spawn it dynamically. Okay, well, let's actually do this. We have a build menu. Build menu. And then we have a building menu. Type UI menu. Yeah, so you technically also have a list, although you're not using it. At some point it will be used. Which, now that I think about it, we could just do... We could do a prefab, and then the scriptable object, and then we just fill that in. Which I think is actually a much better idea. Yeah, actually, yep, that's a good idea. So we have the building menu. This is wrong. This is a build UI object. And so here we have the building UI object, a list of building UI objects actually, buildings. And we have so the building UI object can hold the button reference and the image reference. So we just need the scriptable object, which is the building data. Right. And then we would say something like public void create building UI object. We need to pass something in here though. I guess we could pass the scriptable object itself. I think we could do that. And so on the building UI objects, we would have the button, and this would be the, is this, what is this? Okay. This would be the upgrade button. And then the raw image. And then we have public void construct UI object. building data. Uh, Now from here, I think we can just, we need to add a couple more things. We have the building type, name, the sprite. Oh, actually, no, we have pretty much everything we need. Take that back. All right, so then we would just do upgrade button. Well, actually, no. Oh, we would just do the image. Image dot. Wait, how do we do the image? Regular image? Okay, I'm just gonna do image then. Call this building image. Okay. And that's it, at least for now. Hmm. Okay, so we make a dictionary to hold all the building objects with a key of building type, and we're just going to assume for now that we don't have two or more buildings of the same type, just to make things easy. So let's do when we create the building object. Oh, but we need to spawn a new. Oh, okay. No, hold on. That should be easy enough. We'll just hold a reference to this. Building UI object. call it building UI object prefab. And then we're going to do building option. Oh, let's change this to building options dictionary. And so building objects dictionary dot contains key. The key being data dot building type. So we do if it contains a key, then we return, well, let's do log error, log warning. Yeah, log warning. Building of type already set. Can I do this whole thing like this? Oh, I forgot what this is. I think it might just be lowercase. I actually don't know. And then we return, just return. So then that means that if we don't have the key, it means it's a new building. So we do buildings dictionary dot add data dot actually hold on. We do building UI object. Building UI object is equal to a building UI object, or sorry, instantiate of building UI object. The prefab, sorry. Prefab is the one we want. And then we do building UI object dot construct UI object data. And finally, we just add that to the dictionary. Building type, building UI object. Okay. Building UI object, construct UI object. Yeah, I think, we need to have the parent we're gonna put this on. And we should also have a destruct. Okay, let's just do the next one. To do destroy reference if Building is destroyed. Destroy UI references if building is destroyed. Okay, so let's go to. Oh, let's just put a transform. Call this the parent UI holder. Probably not the best name, but it's fine. All right, so that would be this. Oh no, not this. This is something else. This is the. This should say shop build. Oh, what? Oh. No, yeah, it's good. I don't know why it was complaining there. All right. So these are building UI objects. So building UI object, and it has the button, and it has the image, which we can't use because it's a raw image. All right, so we hold this as a prefab for now. Where do we have this? Oh, I guess in the prefabs. That's right. Get rid of that one. Okay, so we have this building UI object here. And on the building panel, oh, that's right. This is the building panel. Okay, so. Oh, building menu, that's right. So building menu. We have the building UI prefab, which we just made. Why is there two? Wait, what is happening? Why is there two? I think it's this one, the one we want. Why is it reversed though? That's weird. That's the build. This is the building. Okay. When did that flip? There you go. Okay, so we have the building object. Okay. That holds building UI object, so we can get rid of this. And on the building panel, we hold a building. Wait, what? What the hell? Why did this change? Wait, I'm so confused. Did we grab the wrong one? No, this is the build UI. What? That's the build UI. Oh my god, I am so confused. What did I do? Oh, it was the other way around. I'm dumb. Okay. This is the build UI. This is the building UI. There you go. Okay, and here's our stuff. So now we go to the building, and then this is the parent, and this is the prefab. I have menu data of building menu. Okay. So now we need to spawn the building in the UI when it's spawned in on the moon. So we might need some sort of callback. This means we'll have to subscribe. We'll have to subscribe to when we build. And it's in the building handler, which is good because I think this is already networked. Yeah, it's on network behavior. So at least that should make it easy for us to sync in the network, which actually I don't even think we need to do because this would just be the client's UI. That wouldn't need to change. Or that wouldn't need to be synced up on the network. All right. So place building is when that happens. Somewhere in this else statement here is when we actually place the building. So should I make? I guess I should make an event. It is on the building handler, so doesn't seem too bad. building set. And we would pass in the building base. Oh, no, hold on, it's this way. Building base, like that. Okay, so then we could do, this is the building base, yeah. Then we could do building set dot invoke with our building. And so back in the building menu, we can do oh, well, we would have to subscribe. Okay, that's right. So we have to subscribe to the event first. So let's do game manager dot instance dot building handler dot building set plus equals create building UI object, which means we're gonna have to change this to, well, actually, I might just be able to do this. Building base. Does building base have data? It does. Oh, but it's not. Brackets. Should I change that to public? Yeah, I'll just change it to public. That's not the best idea, but I think it's okay. Alright, so let's change this up just a little bit. Get private, get protected set. All right, so now that we have that, we do building, and then we could say building data is equal to building dot data. Oh, that should not be like that. Okay. Great. So now, when we actually place the building on the moon, we set off an event that should hopefully get caught by the building UI. And then the building UI will make a building UI object, and then we'll see it in the list of what we just created. That sounds good to me. Void destroy. And just just do the same thing here. Oh, we're already calling this? What are we doing here? I don't see it. Wait, this is the network behavior? Why are we doing this network behavior? This shouldn't be network behavior. Why would this need to be network behavior? Why did I put network behavior on the UI menu? Okay, I'm gonna leave it like that. I must have done that for a reason. I just don't know what it was. Why would the UI need a network behavior? The clients can't look at other clients' UI. Okay, I'm gonna take it off. We'll see what happens. Okay, so we're in the building menu on destroy. Get rid of that. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go on a quick ad break. I'm gonna get something to drink. I'll be right back. All right, and we're back. All right, so we have the building. The building is set. The event is sent out. We are subscribed to the event. And we create the UI object. And I think that is it. So let's try this out real quick. Now host this. And okay, we got some errors here. Building handler. Turn building type. From what? The building handler? Wait, what? Okay, I'm guessing the building handler is null, which is odd. Oh, it gets added afterwards, doesn't it? Building. No, it's in the handlers. Here we go. Oh, it's turned off. What? Why did that get turned off? Wait, what? Why did that get turned off? It's weird. Let's go. Let's just change the script order. This is something that I should probably not be doing, but for the sake of time, we'll just change the script order if I can remember where it's at. Player? Oh, script executed order. Here we go. Add scripts to the custom order and drag them to reorder. Okay. Wait, this might not be it. I don't know what all this is. I mean, I guess I could do like game manager. Can I drag this in here? Yeah. Apply, and then building handler. Can we do that? I don't know if this is gonna work. I don't know if this works for like start and await. Still kind of weird, but still. You know what? Actually, hold on. Why is this not working on awake? Oh, it is awake. I don't get that. Like, I don't understand why awake doesn't run first for all objects and then start. Oh, still got the error. That's null. This is null from what? Who called this? The save system? Probably. Okay. Let me just take that out. I don't feel like that's the correct way to do that. Hey, Copperhead. The game is, it's coming along. Right now I'm working on, I have buildings that I need to spawn. And then having like an option where you can like upgrade the building and it can give you like extra things to do on the building. So, going along nicely. How far you get in Bloodborne? Let's see, canvas, print menu, building panel. Okay, so the building handler is null before this gets called. I don't know. I mean, unless we like delay it by like a frame, which I guess we could, but not exactly something I want to do. Yield return null. Let's just see if that works. I'm pretty sure that's what it is, but just to make sure. I beat the boss, then called it. I choked bad on my first try. Which boss did you get to again? Oh, was the Bloodstar Beast? You're in Old Yharnam, right? Okay, so let's try that. I think if that was what's wrong with it, then I think that should work. Because now we're waiting one frame before we get the reference. I think so. Yeah, it's the one that like poisons you. Yeah, the poisonous one. Yeah. Yeah, that one can be tough because it's like very erratic. Kind of hard to like gauge what his attacks are sometimes. I'm still getting this. Hold on. Okay, now we gotta... Now I gotta see what's going on here. I did not... Oh, hold on. Let's do this. You return, wait for... Maybe wait for a full second. Should not have to do this, but we'll see. You have to make an array to store all the building assets. Right now I am using a dictionary, which is kind of like an array, but it has like keys, so you can like reference anything in the list quickly. Okay, so the problem is here. The data is null on the building base. Oh, okay. That should be an easy fix. That was the problem the entire time, I think. Okay, so we don't need to... Well, let's just keep this here for a second, because I feel like that's still going to be a problem. Okay, so building... This is probably in the parent. Yeah, okay, so this is the... What is this? House? I should rename this. Building house parent. Building shop. What the heck was I doing here? Okay, this is a building house parent. So we have the house building here. We have the shop building here. And we have the farm building. Here. Level 0, yeah, that's fine. Rare gem resource, that's fine. Okay, I think that should be good, so let's try that out. Host. Let's see. The given key shop was not in the dictionary. Oh, that's a save system. We'll do that later. Okay, so we have the shop, or the house. We place that there. Well, we didn't get an error, but why is the UI not spawning? No, it didn't spawn. Interesting. Okay, let's try that again. With the shop this time. Oh wow, it didn't even get called. Am I not calling it? Building handler. Place building. Building set. Yeah, building. Okay, well, it's here. So that should be getting called. Yeah, okay. House. Ah, of course I'm not debugging. Okay, building sets. Here we go, building menu. Shop building data. Yeah. Instantiate. Oh, we didn't parent it. That's why. So it's here somewhere, we just didn't. Yeah. We just didn't parent it, okay. So this will be parented to parent UI holder. So now we should be good. Gotta go to bed, but that's really impressive what you're doing. Hope the development goes good for you. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. I'll see you around. Try to catch some more of your Bloodborne streams. Take it easy. All right. Let's see. Can you grab this? What am I? What? Oh, that's not a drag and drop. I see. That might be a little confusing. We should probably not do that. Okay. Now if we place it here, there we go. Now we have the reference here. And the upgrade button doesn't do anything right now, I think. No, it doesn't. Okay. Then if we do this, then we get another one, and then this should give me an error or something. A warning. Building of type house already set. Yeah, okay, cool. And then it's give me the same thing probably. Wait, what? There we go. Building type of farm? Oh, no, 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 no. That's not right. Farm. What are you talking about? Farm. Oh, whoops. We've got to change that. That's shop. Shop house. This is farm. Okay. So we construct this thing. I guess we can hold the reference to the building here. That might actually be a better idea. Actually, yeah, that is a better idea. Why don't we just do that? Building base. Building. And we'll just do building base. We say building is equal to building. And building data is equal to building data. All right. Now we just need to go back here. And we're just going to pass the entire building. All right, it's actually not too bad. Could be worse, but I think it's pretty good. And so now on the building UI object, when we construct it, we call it a reference to it. Hmm. I guess in the meantime, I could put up a little sneak peek of the art. Let's do that one. Technically, we already showed this one, but not publicly. Let's see, image. Oh, I forgot about that. Okay, let me see. There we go. Okay, for you, we do this. Not too big though. Just break it down like right there. And there we go. Yeah, make it a little bigger. All right. Okay, so now that we have this, we should have all the things running. The building UI object, we probably could add a little more things. We need to add the name. Building UI object. This needs to be changed at some point. No, hold on. We're looking for the prefab itself. There we go. Okay, so we'll add a text. UI, Text Mesh Pro. This we will ignore layout. Oh, layout element, that's right. Ignore layout. And we're gonna place this down here. How do we snap? Why can I never snap? Okay, whatever. Let's do 64 by 64. Nope, let's do 64 by 32. Sure. I don't know how to map this thing. What? Oh, it's this. Okay. All right, auto size, max 10. I can probably go lower, but that's fine. Building. Well, I guess we could put it under the image. Might as well. As a child, I mean. And actually, we could do that, and then we can also do one for the level. We have a Text Mesh Pro again. We'll do 16 by 16. Auto size 8. So it'll be tiny. And we'll put it up here. Put it up here. That works, right? 8. Yeah. Actually, we should probably do this one as well. Anchor it to the bottom. Okay. Center that. Do the same thing here. All right. Well, that'll be basically the level. And let's just put a little more spacing. Oh, we didn't put any spacing. Interesting. 8 spacing. All right. So we have the building image. We have, what is this called again? Using TM Pro. What is this called? Text GUI or something like that? TMP GUI. Text Mesh Pro Text? What is it called? I have no idea. Text Mesh Pro GUI? Hold on, it's gotta be here somewhere. Oh boy. Text Mesh Pro UGUI. Okay, that is this one. Call this building name. And finally, Text Mesh Pro GUI level type. All right. We say building name text equal to data dot building name. Okay, I think that's it. We might as well just do the upgrades. So let's do public void upgrade building. Or let's just do yeah, upgrade building. Sure. All right. Hmm. Well, we have the references to everything. I don't even think, yeah. Building the upgrade building, and that's it. Now we would need obviously a check to know if we can upgrade. Which well, we could do it on an update loop. Just continuously check if we have the right amount of resources. That could be the lazy way to do it. The better way would just be to do another subscribe event. Every time you add or subtract the resource, it sends out an event. Which actually, I think we probably do. Game manager. Game manager instance. Resource handler. Do we have any events? We do not. We probably should. On update resource amount. Wait, why did that's literally it? Why didn't that show up? Huh? On update resource amount. Instance does not exist. What? What? Am I going crazy? What is going on here? Show potential fixes. No. Game manager instance does not exist. Type name instance does not exist in the type game manager. Okay, I am confused. No, that's not it. Am I going crazy? Why is this not working? Game manager instance resource handler. What? I am so confused. Why can't I reference the static? Type name instance does not exist in the type manager game manager. What the? Well, how come it works here? Huh? Is this not the same? Excuse me? What? What? I'm going crazy. What's going on? What is happening? Oh, now it works. Okay, I am confused. I don't know what was going on there. But now why can't I take this? Is nobody subscribed to this event? Find that hard to believe. Oh. Oh, is that okay to do? Probably not. That does not look good. I mean... Okay, I guess if that's how I set it up. Oh, did we change that back? Let's change this back, just in case. Let's see. That'll work. Okay, we have the resource. Let's do resource handler dot on update resource amount plus equals. Let's give me a resource type and a float. Okay, this works if we only have one resource, but what if we have multiple resources as a prerequisite to build this building? And not only that, what if we just have like arbitrary checks? Like one building needs to be built before another building. I could separate like the validation into another component. And then just run through the list. I guess if we're going to do that at that point, then we probably do need an update to check them. It'll just be easier. Or we could turn them on and off, I guess. That's also fine. Okay, let's do an update. I'm going to do an update. And if we have to do subscriptions, we'll just do that. So let's do update. can we do? Can we do a list of checks? A list of functions? A list of delegates? Or I guess a delegate itself would just be that. Hmm. Oh, we could just start simple and just check for the normal resource. And we can just build on top of that if we need to. It'll be easier in this case. Okay, so if the required is less than what we have, actually, let's do this. Upgrade button. Well, full button active is equal to upgrade button dot is active and enabled, probably. Checks whether the component is enabled, attached to a game drive that is active in the hierarchy, and the components on enable has been called. Okay, should be good. Then we say if, actually let's do is button active. Is button active. We'll say if the button resource amount is less than what we have, then but upgrade button dot set active or game object dot set active false. Else let's see this bool is resource met. Resource amount met equal to this. That would be greater than or equal to. So the button is active and we did not meet the resource, then it'll be false. Else resource amount is met, then we upgrade button game object set active true. Okay. So now okay. But bool upgrade available, I should say. Oh, I guess we could just do return is resource met. Okay. So if the resource is not met, but we have the button active, then we deactivate the button. And then vice versa, if the resource is met, but we have the button inactive, then we activate the button. Now, it would be good if the upgrade is available, we do like a little exclamation mark or something to showcase that something can be upgraded. But we'll do that at some other point. It's a lot of people. All right, I'll take a quick 3-minute ad break and then get back to it. All right, and we're back. Continue on with the building upgrade stuff. So actually, I think we can try this out right now. Oh wait, hold on. No, we didn't finish this. So let's leave that off for now. I mean, it probably would be a better idea to use a subscribe event pattern, but for now we'll just do it on an update loop. And we'll just put this here to do. Set up subscriber pattern to avoid checking every frame, which I don't even think is that big of a deal. I don't know how much it would impact to have, you know, 20, 30 game objects running an update loop, but that should be fine. Alright, so we're just checking the resource amount here, and if we have the amount required, then we should be good to go. Which we should probably do for initially constructing the building. Alright, so we have the shop. Oh, hold on, the parent here, the shop. Where's the data? Here's the data. Let's just put everything to 0 for now, just to test. And let's give it a shot. Let's see how many things we broke. Okay. Well, this is not something I wanted. Well, I do think it said, okay, building, okay, no, that's wrong. That is completely wrong. Wait, what is happening? Is the load system working? Oh, hold on, we have quite a bit of errors. Object not sent to an instance of an object. Data.building name. What? Was that not set? Why are you spawning the building already? Oh, I'm dumb. I forgot to debug. No, 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 no. Okay, so we are... Oh, that's right. The farm building has it. Forgot about that. Is that the only one? Data. Building. Building name. Oh, we forgot to set the UI references. Okay, that's not bad. We can do that quickly. Interesting that I built two. I still don't know why I built two. Okay, no, not here. Prefabs, planet, building, no. UI. Building UI object. So we have, let's just say building name, level, building name, and level. All right, let's see what happens. All right, the farm spawned and the house spawned. Okay, and for some reason my safe system is working now. I don't know why. But that is working, so that's good. Now, we can't upgrade either of them. I don't know why. Why can't we upgrade? Oh wait, no, we can. I'm dumb. The number's here. It's too small. Man, Unity needs a better default fonts, because this is like... I cannot see anything. Okay, so we pressed upgrade, but nothing happened. Nothing happened because we did not do anything with the upgrade. Duh. Okay. Public. Actually, no. This could just be void. Void upgrade. And we'll do one last upgrade check. If this fails, then we return. And then we do upgrade. No, building dot upgrade building. And on awake, we say upgrade button dot on click dot add listener upgrade. And on destroy, say upgrade dot on click dot add or remove all listeners. Okay. Okay, so now what do we do? Now we check if it works. Okay, so given key was not present in the dictionary. Okay, so I don't know, something's going on with the farm thing. All right, do a shop. It gets added. Object Exosphere did not have building base component. What? If building base building hit collider game object at building base. On building click. Are we doing anything with that? Extract carrot gem resource. What? Get component in parent. Wait, why the parent? I thought the collider was on the model. Oh wait, there's no collider period. I'm dumb. Oh, it's on here. Oh, even then that's on the on the model. Okay, so oh wait, no, hold on. Yeah, the parent would have what? Hold on. Hold on. So that should work on the farm. Ah, yes, it does. Okay, cool. I don't know exactly which one it's increasing. It should be the carrot gems. Well, we'll see. Which again, now that I think about it, we shouldn't even be syncing the carrot gems either. Like, I don't really think the client needs to know the other client's resource amount. And if it does, we would just do like on an event or something, where they would just fetch them all. Okay. Let's click on this, and we get this. Base building, click. Extract carrot gem resource. Oh, we are. We are doing that. Okay, cool. All right. Yeah. Let's do the house. Bam. Yeah, that all looks fine. Gotta get rid of all these debug breakpoints. Okay, this is interesting. Huh. I thought the house had the check here as 0. So why is it not turning on? This is for what? Farm? No. House? Yes. Required? 0. False? What? You're telling me we need more than 0? Or we have less than 0? That's not possible. We have negative? We have 270. Oh, I'm dumb. It's it's not supposed to be that. The amount required is less than or equal to the amount that we have. Yes. Why is that confusing me so much? Why is the simple Boolean confusing me so much? Oh, I'm just gonna switch this. This is confusing me. This is what happens when you code at midnight. If we have greater than or equal to the amount needed, or required. Yeah. Okay. Okay, host. We can upgrade the farm. Did not have building base component. What are you talking about? I'm not clicking on a building. What? We can't. Oh, hold on, because okay, that's right. Yeah, we would get the house, we put it here, and then we upgrade this, but we can't because it's not connected. Okay. First of all, I am going to temporarily remove that. And so we have the house. Zero. How would I... Oh, no, yeah, I guess we could do that. So we can do... this one here. Yeah, and then we'll just do level text.text is equal to building.data. Oh, no. Dot level. There we go. Oh my god. Dot toString. Okay, I don't know why you just do that automatically. Alright, let's try it out. Host, yes. Oh, you're not supposed to spawn there. That's not good. We gotta fix that. Okay, that works. Nice. And then we pull in shop in here. Upgrade. Very nice. You can barely tell with this font, but it is updating. Alright. Let me just fix that up real quick. The content window from the viewport. Building panel, scroll view, viewport, content. Viewport? No, it should be content. What is going on here? What? Nani? Preferred size. Did I not change that? Wait, why am I not able to... Oh, unconstrained. Nope, that didn't work either. Why am I even not... What is going on here? Preferred size for the horizontal and unconstrained for the vertical. And this would just be the opposite. Preferred size for the vertical. Am I crazy? Why can't I change this? What? What is going on? Oh, there it is. Okay. That's weird. Ah, I hate UI so much. Oh, well, that's unconstrained. What is, what if I do preferred? Yeah, it does this. Why does it do this? Is it because of the layout group? No, that's the same. I don't understand this. Why is this one working? What? Is it because I already have the two buttons in here? Oh, that's why. Okay. But even then, why can't I? Huh. Maybe that's not the way we're supposed to do it. Maybe we do need a unconstrained. That we can move it ourselves. But what if we go past this? Okay, let's try it out. I guess I could have just done that in play mode to make it easier. Okay, so we have that, and then we add the house, we add the shop. It's like not, it's not set all the way. Maybe this is preferred size. Oh, but even then, I can't even reach the bottom. Like, what happens if I just keep adding them? Oh, this, okay, well that... It's just getting to the last one. Very annoying. And we can't do, like... Can't do unconstrained. Min size? No, I don't think that'll work. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Oh, that definitely is not gonna work. Huh. Okay. This is at, okay, preferred size I think is what we want, but we want to give it like a little bit more padding. Maybe on the layout? Upper center. So if we increase the padding, well, I just gotta check this real quick with the button. If we increase the padding from the bottom, it'll go up. It'll go down, which is I think what we want. Yeah, I think we just need to add a little bit of padding. So like 16 maybe? Let's do like 24. Okay, so let's try that. Okay, host. And then that works fine. And we add a house. Oh, whoops, I keep forgetting. Keep messing up the scene view and the game view. At the house. No. There we go. Oh, okay. It did give me a bit of padding. Yeah. Yeah, we're good. We could probably add just a little more too. And just see how it looks. Content. We can add, I don't know, 32. Yep, that looks good. I hate that you can like do this. Is there a way to just do like the oh, because we have that on. Okay, there we go. You gotta take that one off. All right, nice. It's pretty good. And then we got the upgrades working. And capped at 3. Good. Okay, now let's do just one last thing. Let's actually put in some resource amount and make sure we're pulling from the correct resource handler. Probably need to do some sort of refactoring here. Assuming we have more prerequisites for creating a oh, actually, for creating a building and upgrading the building. So let's do, let's see, can we knock this out real quick? If we do the building setting, building menu, no. We want the build menu. Oh, crap. On building upgrade. No, we don't, this isn't even what we need. Like 90% of this is just moot at this point. We don't upgrade from here anymore. Building the base is fine. Wait, what is calling that button there? Game scene. Okay, what is this button? We're calling the setting building on the building handler. Okay. That's fine. So I guess in the setting building is where we could check it, but we should probably check it beforehand. We technically already have the building data. Okay. So I guess we could do the same thing then. Update. And we'll just copy paste it. Where is it at? Building UI object, upgrade, here we go. But that'll be called like a build check or something. Yeah, build check. But we don't have the building. We don't have the building object here. We just have the data. What? Oh, you have a prefab to it. I see. Why am I saying you? I'm the one who did this. We might as well just copy what we did with the building UI object to the build object. Yeah, well, sure. I don't know. This is I don't feel like this is a good idea, actually. The building is not made yet. Where did we get the reference for this? Building construct UI object. From the building menu. From the building handler. Yeah. Okay. Wait, I don't need it. I take that back. Yeah, I don't need it. The data has the amount required, the resource amount required. Yeah. Okay. I completely forgot about that. Damn. I future-proofed myself. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, I see. Okay. Should it just be an update? Yeah. And this is build check. And we could just do this. I guess, well, yeah, we can just run this. Run the function. So all this is doing is just checking if we can enable or disable the button. I call this the build button. Oh, it's not technically that, but it's fine. All right. These damn bots. Okay. So that should be good. Oh, what's this error here? Oh yeah, we just need the data. It's like this? Yeah. Okay, cool. Okay, let's see how this works. Post. Okay, that works. We have the shop. That works. We can upgrade. Okay, cool. Now, before we end this, we can do... let's see. Scriptable objects. No, not resource. Building. And actually, let's do... We need to make like different tiers. Because there's a resource amount needed to initially build the building. And then there's a resource amount required to upgrade the building. So let's do public int resource amount required to build, amount required to upgrade. And there's multiple tiers of upgrades. So we should probably make some sort of list here. Let's do a private class. Yeah, private class, resource required, resources required entry. And it'll be the resource type and the amount. And then let's do wait, hold on. Can we validate on a scriptable object? Oh, even if we do validate, I don't even think that's going to work. Because I think validation doesn't happen on runtime. Well, how am I supposed to serialize like a dictionary? Is that even possible? And I could just do a list. The dictionary would be better though. Can I serialize a dictionary? I don't think so. Dictionary entry serialize. Oh. That sounds like exactly what I need. Where is this from? Did I make this? Oh, I made this. Oh my god. What is past me doing? Well, it looks like I started to do this. Serializing a dictionary. But how do we do it if there's no like start or awake? And I'm assuming that you can't use a constructor. Can you? I gotta look this up. Can I use a constructor on a scriptable object? Unity. Scriptable object create instance. Oh, that might work. That sounds like what I need. Scriptable object dot. Oh, sorry. What is the void? Create instance. No. What is this? Okay, maybe we can't do this. Can we use a constructor? I know Unity doesn't like constructors. Can we do just building data? Is it gonna let me do this? Is it gonna complain? Is it even like how? I guess that's gonna work. What is half of this? Oh my god, 999. 9999 plus errors. Oh shoot, we forgot to. Okay, this is to build. Oh, I should have renamed them all when I had them all opened. This is to upgrade. And then we're gonna have to check the level that we're currently at. No, that shouldn't be too bad actually. We already have the level referenced. Okay, the constructor got called. That might work then, if the constructor got called. We might be onto something here. Or it's gonna blow up in our face, one or the other. Okay, so the constructor is getting called, so I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna treat it like it's an awake function or something. So let's do a list. Okay, fine. Let's do an array. Array of entries. Let's do resources required to build. That'll replace this one down here, but let's just first check and see if this is even going to work. Okay, so... Oh, and then we got to serialize it. Serializable field. Wait a minute, hold on. Can we just use the one that we were making? E resource type and an int. Oh, it might work. It might work. So when we call the constructor, oh, hold on, wait, then we need an actual dictionary. No, just a regular one, please. Dictionary of E resource type and int. And we'll call it, hold on, we'll call this one array real quick. We gotta choose some better names here at some point. Required to build dictionary equal to new. Okay, so then we say rent I is equal to 0, I is less than resources required to build length, or oh shoot. Oh, hold on. Is this an array of a generic template? That makes sense, right? Yeah. Oh my god, we just keep making it more and more complicated. I just want to serialize a dictionary. Okay, resources required. Oh my god. Everything here is like almost the exact same name. Okay, dot, hold on. No, we gotta check first. Okay. If resources required to build dictionary dot contains the key. Oh my god. Okay. E resource type key is equal to resources required to build array dictionary I dot dictionary key. Okay. And then we check for the key. If it does not contain the key, we add it to the dictionary. Dot add key and resources required to build array I dot value. And that's it. Right? Okay, let's try. Oh my god. No reference. No reference when I'm not even running the freaking instance. Uh-oh. That didn't look good. I don't think this worked. I don't think this worked. Okay, no reference. Object reference to an instance of an object. Oh, okay, let's just check for this first. If resources required to build array equal to null, return. Okay. Should be good now, right? I don't think it'll complain about that. So now, Let's do. Okay, looks like it's good. Oh no. Oh, I'm so dumb. We can't serialize template generics, can we? Oh no. Wait a minute, hold on. We just gotta serialize this. System.serializable. Okay. Let's take a quick ad break and then we will find out if this worked. All right, and we're back. So we have these generic templates, but I am not 100% sure that we can serialize these, which is going to be a pain. But If that's the case, we can probably just use the one that we made here. Oh, it might work. Resources required to build array, yes. So let's do, I don't know, carrot gem and ore. Let's do 50 here, 80 here. And at some point, the constructor, oh shoot, there was a warning there. Oh crap. Okay, let's just build this two here. Starbit and carrot gem again. 11 and I don't know, 5. Save. Okay, so the constructor ran at some point. So we should have the dictionary. This should be filled out. So if we go to the building menu, sure. Create building UI object. Or actually, no, the building. Oh my god, these names. Oh, what was I doing? Okay, here we go. Build check. That's what I want. Okay, moment of truth. Is this gonna work? And is it gonna work on runtime? Okay, it's taking longer than usual, not a good sign. Okay, there we go. Seriously, why is it taking so long? Okay, this is not a good sign. What if I just stop debugging? Oh, okay, he just want me to stop debugging. Okay. All right, let's see it. Come on, Unity. Oh my god, Unity, please, what are you doing? Just let me check. Thank you, yes. Host. Thank you. Okay, here we go. This is a shop building. The data says that we do not have a dictionary. Okay. No dictionary. House building. No dictionary. God damn it. Oh my god, how are you supposed to serialize a dictionary on a scriptable object? Where am I supposed to run it? I don't know. I don't know. Somebody, fuck it, let's just look this up. Serialize dictionary for scriptable object in Unity. Oh, someone had the exact question I did. Okay, you know what we could do? What we could do is we can call a function that returns a dictionary. I, I don't know. I don't know. At that point, we might as well just leave it as a array. And we'll just check for the key values of the enum. All right, what did this guy say? Okay, we make a system serializable class. Key value pair list of a string and an object. iDictionary. Huh. I don't think I have the brain power to continue on with this. I mean, at this point, I might as well just leave it as a function where it just looks up the key. It'll just act like a dictionary. Yeah, I mean, it won't even be that big of a deal, honestly. It's not like it's going to be like hundreds of entries. But it would be nice. Okay, I'm just going to do that. You get rid of that. I mean, we could put this in the getter. I guess it would kind of work if we put it on the getter. Man, that's so ugly, though. It's so ugly. I don't want to do that. We could do. Okay, this didn't work. Oh, we'll need this though. Anyway, we'll do public void or public dictionary resource type int but then we need to make one for each required resource. Oh my god. Well, no we don't. We just need... No, we do. Okay, we'll need one for the initial build. So... man, I kind of just want to put it in the getter at this point. Yeah, actually, that's fine. Get resources for... get resource required for initial build. Why is this? Oh, stupid typo. Okay, so we can do if hold on. Dictionary e-resource type int dictionary equal to new dictionary. Actually, no. Let's check for null first. If this is equal to null, just return null, I guess. Else, you just continue on. Actually, no, if it's null, then we do all of this. Oh, crap. Oh, it's right here. Then we do all of this. Well, I guess we need to do this here as well. Okay, so the dictionary is null. We build the dictionary. Return null. So I guess we do need to just have it ready. And then why can I? Oh, okay, whatever. Well, really? You need that? Can't you do this? Okay. So, if we don't have the dictionary, we build it. Alright, well, I guess we could just do... We really just do this. Just return the one that we already have. right? When we call it the first time, it's going to be null. But then every time after that, it'll be built. And it's not the best solution, but I can't think of any other way. This is, yeah, this might as well just be private. It's not like we can... Well, I guess we could fetch it. Can we do this? Public... And then we can do... a get resource for initial build. This works, right? Only auto-implemented properties can have initializers. What the fuck does that mean? Only auto-implemented properties can have initial... Okay, fine, whatever. It's too late to try and figure that out, so fuck it. We'll just leave it like that then. And we'll leave this private. Build, required to build dictionary. Yes. Okay. And the shop, and let's do diamond 3 and coin 35. Okay, so now they all have one. Good. All right. Oh. Well, no, hold on. We gotta call it once first. So this is in the build UI object? Yes. So here we have bool is resource amount met. Okay, we'll just initialize as false. And we'll say var required dictionary is equal to data dot get resources required to build. And then for each... Oh man, we're doing this on an update? I don't like that. Okay, whatever. Required... Oh, sorry. Var KBP in required dictionary. If... Oh my god, I'm too tired for this. I just want to get this part done. If game manager .instance .resource handler .get resource amount held of resource type kvp.key is greater than or equal to kvp dot value. Actually, I should say if it's less than kvp dot value, then we can just probably break out early. Is resource amount met is equal to false and break. Okay. I think that should work. Let me just refresh that. All right, let's try this again. Host. All right, so we're on the shop. Object not set to origins of an object. What is the problem? What is... Oh, build button is null? What? What? Build button is null. Oh my god. Of course. Okay. Build object. And here's the button. Oh, data is also required. House and shop. Oh, we don't even have the farm. Okay. Do we just not have one for the farm? Wait, why is it even complaining? What the... What? What? The farm isn't even spawned. Oh my god. Okay, host. Attach. Build UI object. That's something else. What? Now they're not spawned? Oh my god. What did we do? What did we do? Now they're not spawned. What happened? What happened? They're right there. Where did they go? Oh, I'm so dumb. It's because they don't meet the requirements. So it is working, but I just noticed that that was not a good idea to do that. Also, why is this showing me error now? Set building handler. Okay, well, at least we know that works. Actually, let's see if it fetches the correct thing. Oh. Yeah, I think I might just need to start from the initial scene. I hope. Okay. And that's that. Host. Okay, so this is for the shop building. And we have data with no dictionary, which is fine. But as soon as we get it, we should have it with diamond 3 and coin 35. Should be here. It did not. What? Why? Oh, nah. Oh my god. Okay, fine. All right, all right. Let's do that. I'm too tired for this. I'm just making stupid mistakes now. Okay. Load that in there. Host. Let's see. Yep, there we go. Oh, this time you did the house first. Interesting. I would have expected you to do the same one every time. So now it's the shop. Dictionary is null. And if we expand, diamond 3, coin 35. All right. And then we just set that to false. Buttons active is true. Oh, okay. And then the load thing is broken still. I'll fix that at some point. All right, that is a good stopping point. We at least did a semi-dictionary serialization. As close as we're gonna get. Alright, well. I'll pick this up again in the weekend. Finish it up. Actually, we only have one more day until the deadline for Wholesome Direct. Well, that'll be fun. Alright, well. Thanks to anyone that stopped by. I'll try to do game dev streams a little more often. Let's see who we can raid. A live chance to raid. Let's do who else is doing some game dev? Oh, open source. That's pretty good. Hyper Game Dev, Wardstone Studio. Let's help out a small streamer. Ball stream test. Making a game in 500 hours. Oh. Those are always fun. And he's using Godot. The Godot chads are rising. It's over for Unity. Anybody using Unreal? Let's go with the Godot guy. Oh, he just finished it. Well, that was that was a failure. Okay, let's try and find someone else. Let's see. Who else is making some games? Making Wolfenstein, but a camera is your weapon. That sounds fun. Let's do that. All right, let's try that again. Oh, I'm already raiding somebody. Oh, okay. I have no idea how this works. Alright, whatever. I'll just end the stream. Sorry, I tried. I'll see you guys later.